Hey everyone, this is Troy with Lerch RV and welcome to the Durango Gold 384. This model has the full body paint option, which we'll get to here in just a minute on the exterior. Gives you a beautiful finish on the outside as well as making it much easier to maintain over the life of the coach. You have your nice dinette / desk area. You can take this, you can slide it back and forth. You can also extend it outwards some as well if you need the extra space. You do have two awnings on the outside, so you'll have one off for the slide out here and then one, of course, over your main living area. You have your theater seat recliners here on my right-hand side. Both those are electric, heat, and massage. Of course, you have plenty of storage over here, back there, behind me in the entertainment center, as well as through your kitchen. And, of course, you do have your extra sleeper sofa in the rear here as well that can easily sleep up to 2 adults. All the Durango Golds do come standard on the 26 models and beyond with the 3 air conditioners with the built-in heat pumps. So you get a lot better efficiency in this than you would most coaches. And then, of course, you do have your fireplace here on your entertainment center. That'll put out some extra heat for you. You have your TV, plus plenty of deep storage going into the back of the entertainment center. And then heading over here, you do have your 4-burner cooktop with your nice extra large oven, so you can actually use this functionally compared to most, which are not very convenient. Then, of course, you have your storage underneath here. You have the pull-out drawer there. Plenty of storage here with shelving. Over beside your island, you do have your pull-out cutting board, which can be removed for easy cleaning. Of course, you have more storage underneath that as well with a nice drawer here. And your garbage can storage underneath. To the island section, you have the extra storage here as well as your built-in dishwasher. And then, of course, heading over to the refrigerator, it is your residential size refrigerator. You do have an inverter built in at the front that will actually allow that to run when you're running down the road off of your battery. And, of course, heading over to the pantry area, you have a huge pantry space here, overhead storage, plenty of shelving. And then to the right-hand side of that, you have your wine rack. Your generator prep is already set on this unit. That's what the control there is for. Of course, you already have the solar on here as well, and a central vac hookup too. And heading into the main bedroom here, you have your nice large wardrobe in the front. Again, plenty of shelving there. You do have an extra space over here as well. And there are 2 additional chairs which go with the dinette up front. And then, of course, you have your storage on this side of me. You have a nice little clothes hamper that's built in as well. TV. You have a fireplace in the bedroom too. And the biggest point on this model is going to come down to the hallway that actually leads to the bedroom from the bathroom. Heading towards the bathroom from your main bedroom, you're going to notice over here to my left, you already have the built-in washer and dryer opposing. You have a nice little laundry area here, and as we come around the corner, you'll eventually see the nice countertop that you can use to fold laundry, and a hanging bar to actually store this stuff as well. And then, of course, heading into the master bathroom, you do have your mirrors, plenty of counter space with a his and her vanity. And then you do have a nice large shower over here to my left-hand side. Toilet has plenty of leg room there. And, of course, you have your additional storage to the left of your shower. And on the outside of the coach here, you have a nice, huge pass-through storage compartment. You do have a rail for your power cord over there as well. And then, of course, as I mentioned before, the biggest point on the outside of this one is your full body paint. All right, and underneath there, you'll see the independent kart suspension, which paired with the ABS brakes on all the Durango products, will give you a much smoother ride overall than a lot of competitors out there as well. All right, thank you for joining us on this walkthrough of the Durango Gold 384. Please feel free to give us a call, text, or stop in, and we'd be more than happy to help you out with any questions you may have. We look forward to seeing you then.